morning. Good morning. It is
Day
it
two.
Tuesday,
Day
or is
two.
it Wednesday?
It's Wednesday.
Oh, okay. It's Wednesday and it's day 2 of the BBI Boat Show, and we are starting the morning on one of our absolute favorite boats, Gullwing. It's a brand new Lagoon 55. It's got one of our favorite crews. We've had great charters on the boat, so we figured what a great way to start.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
How are you both?
Good morning. This is
Hi. This is Captain Will,
Hi everyone, how's it going?
Chef Anna,
Good morning.
and Matia, your hostess with the mostess.
So one thing that we really like about this boat is that it's got such a big cockpit and has the full seating for 8 people. A lot of the cockpits that you'll have noticed on the boats, the tables are real small and there's not enough space, but this cockpit has a really big space and a really big table. Seating area.
Michelle's going to try it out.
Sorry. Seating.
Perfect.
I need a cup of coffee. It's morning. Nobody's moving.
No. And then we'll go off to get one.
And then also, let's just turn behind and see the
Oh,
tender.
yeah. Oh,
Now,
nice tender.
Another thing about Gullwing is they have a tender lift, which is this. It's good for mobility issues. Also, if someone has trouble climbing up and down the ladder, this can open and Will can just put you right down into the water.
Yeah.
Also for the diving.
No diving on
No
this
diving.
boat.
No
Full
diving.
space with all sorts of other toys.
Oh, that's right.
They got more,
Lots of
so
toys. Okay.
rendezvous
Water
diving.
sports and rendezvous diving.
70 horsepower, so that's good for towing tubes and
So big
wakeboards
dinghy
and
though,
things.
big dinghy, which we really like. Big engine for tubing, water skiing, wakeboarding.
Yeah, we got. Wow, you'll see it.
Okay, we're gonna see it?
Yeah, we
Okay.
got 2 sets of water skis.
Well, let's head on up then.
Should we go and check out the water
Lead the way
toys?
for us.
Hi, Respite at Sea.
Oh, hi!
Tommy's online too.
Hi, Tommy.
Hi, Tommy.
Hi, Tommy. Respite, we just booked you this morning.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
A nice wide deck area. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
the angel's waiting
he's
for
put
you.
it out for me.
That was so sweet.
Oh, thanks. It's a bit too early for me, but yeah.
So lots of water sports on this boat.
So yeah, we have 2 sets of water skis. We've got a kids set as well.
Okay.
Sub wing, so we can tow you nice and slow over a reef.
That's cool, the sub wing.
We've got really high quality snorkel gear as well, a variety of sizes. This is snuba gear, so it allows you to kind of breathe underwater 10 feet deep. So great for people who've never gone diving.
Okay.
Fantastic for kids, allows you to breathe underwater in a safe manner because you never go too deep. So we do guided snorkels and stuff with those. Wakeboard, and then we've got a zup board here. You a knee board, you can stand on it, you can surf it. It's a great entry level for anyone who's never wakeboarded or water skiing first.
Perfect.
And for those parents who, while their children are being entertained, sea bobs.
Then you can sit here.
Yes.
Oh, and the sea bobs.
You
Oh.
can sit under this glorious shade. It's actually quite sunny today.
Yeah, it's very hot today
And
in the
you
BVI.
can have your whispering angel.
There you go.
I'm not doing much but sitting today, am I?
We've got the nice shade.
Nice shade.
We actually have 2 types of shade.
Oh.
We have another one that pops up from underneath the cushions here, and you can have that up on the way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so an underway shade and
Like a cabana
This
thing.
one can't really handle a bit of wind, so
No.
the second one.
Okay. So
So
when
it's the same.
Yeah, it's a little bit more enclosed.
Okay.
But it means, those particularly hot days where there's no wind.
Yep.
Don't
Like
really-
today.
Exactly. So it's perfect. You can sit up here with a little bit of breeze and shade.
Oh, this is perfect. There's lots of breeze today.
Oh my word. Not
so hot.
It's so hot. In the marina it's stifling today. But
The last thing to point out is actually our see-through paddle boards over there.
Oh.
I've never seen I've seen the kayaks, but not a paddleboard. Okay.
Oh,
They're definitely a fan favorite, along with the sea bobs.
That's
but,
cool.
Oh, and then Hannah, there's their floaties.
Oh,
We've got super yacht style floaties.
Awesome.
oh, sitting in those. Not in this water in the marina, but when it's crystal clear.
That's gorgeous.
Many key space, and then the last one you actually slot the sea bobs into those.
Oh,
No lifting in there,
excellent.
so guests can just come and go as they please,
Oh,
swap
that's
when
nice.
they please. It's really handy.
So super yacht.
These are so.
So super yacht.
These are neat. I really, really like those.
Yeah, they're great and they're super relaxing. People go out and they just put their face down and they can see turtles and everything. Like it's really
Excellent.
a great window down. It's lovely.
Okay, perfect.
Gorgeous.
All right.
Flybridge?
Flybridge, let's do that.
Favorite part. So a lot of people ask where they're going to spend the most time on the boat. We always tell them the Flybridge, and we're going to head up there next. Basically, the third level of any catamaran.
Yeah. Beautiful table. Are you entered the competition?
Yes, we are.
And you are, let me guess, white?
Yeah,
Well, I'm pretty smart.
it's a monochromatic theme.
Yes, we've seen a lot of blue, but no white. That's our first white.
It
Tanner,
is our
right?
first white. Oh, look at this. Oh, I see a karaoke machine.
Oh, stop it.
So yeah,
Hannah, you've never sung on a boat.
Oh my god.
might have changed that.
You do? Okay, let's bring up a song for Hannah.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
ready? Yeah, she's never sung. This is a first. We need a song. Pick a song.
Well, you see, that's actually a projector, so
Oh, it is not a karaoke.
Maybe later.
you'll have to
So,
wait till the evening. But this drops down and we turn this whole space.
oh my
into-
god.
I thought
Okay.
it was a karaoke machine.
It does that as well.
Instagram people, if you want me to sing later at Yacht Hop, send me your.
Okay, cool.
Music.
I'll get the.
Okay, give me equipment.
Oh no! What, Michelle?
This is what keeps people interested in us.
Right, so everyone's got to stay online now to hear me singing, or not? Maybe.
What song are you going to sing?
I don't know. I'm trying to think now. Maybe a duet with Will.
Oh! Islands in the street.
Yes,
Okay,
what
that's
we
what
are. Oh my
Give me a
goodness.
duet with
Kenny Rogers, yes.
And Dolly Parton. Okay,
Yes.
we got it. Okay,
Ah!
here we go.
Oh my goodness me. Right. Okay. So Flybridge.
Oh, sorry, I was distracted
Flybridge,
now.
so-
So great. Okay, nice. This is very
This is where you'd spend your cocktail hour, I guess, with some snacks.
I've actually just realised that it needs to be nighttime for me to be able to see it.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So to see the words.
to see the words and everything, and for me to do the setup.
Oh, okay,
So
well,
you will have to come back and
mock
get it.
I'll
it.
come
We're gonna
pick
mock
you
it for one
You can
second.
mock
Okay.
it. You
Ready?
can mock it.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
I don't know how it starts.
Islands. I don't know how to stream.
I'm not a
That is what we
Am
are.
I? Do I sound like? Hold on. Ready? We have to do it. You're Kenny Rogers. Ready?
What do I have to do for that?
Do you know Islands in the
Islands.
Stream? That is what we
I'll
are.
just stand here and look pretty.
in between. That is what
We are. Come on, run away with me to another
with me. To
another world. We can rely on each other. We'll
From
That's
one another
to another. Oh.
Okay, see, karaoke.
There you
on
go.
the boat.
Perfect. That is a first.
Good job.
Thank you, well done.
Woo! That's a first for Epic karaoke on the boat.
Just
That's
did.
true,
Otherwise
that's
we're
true.
boring.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you guys
Now
have
I
been the furthest thing
really,
before,
really
and
want to sing karaoke on this boat.
I know. Yesterday I sat in. I'll come back tonight.
We've been in hot tubs. We've worn robes.
I went in.
the
I went in
shower.
the. I went in the bathtub in the. Yeah,
Now
in the
we
bathroom.
sang karaoke.
Now we've
on
done.
Gulling.
I don't know what else is left to do, to be honest. A sea bob in the marina, but
Oh, that's a
no.
I've sat on
Absolute-
a floaty. in
Oh,
St.
I
Thomas,
stood
remember?
on. Yeah, and I stood on the floaty, didn't I? On Aeolus. I thought it was.
Yep.
Thought it was going to go in.
All right, let's see the
Right.
inside of this glorious boat. Any
yes.
questions yet, Hannah?
Any questions? Not yet.
Not
Oh,
yet.
Aeolus is here. Hello, Aeolus.
Oh, you need
Oh,
a karaoke
let's go,
machine.
Hannah. Hello.
Hello.
I haven't danced with Will yet, so
Okay.
could,
that on-
yeah.
Cringing now.
Oh dear. Oh, look at
I don't know if
this.
you can handle the dancing.
Look at this beautiful boat. Oh, look what Chef's made. Wow, beautiful.
Oh, tell us about this little growing
So
station.
this is our arrow garden so that we can have some fresh herbs on board. So we've obviously just started growing them for this season. So hopefully in a week or two we'll start having
Yes,
some
we have a
pop
charter
up.
coming up pretty soon.
think we do.
Yeah, so maybe we'll have some fresh
Excited.
herbs by then.
They
Yeah.
grow extremely quickly.
Which cabin would you consider the primary?
Primary is.
Okay. So we'll
Let's
just
go
head
down.
down.
Oh, nice coffee machine.
Oh yeah, coffee's very important on this
It's
boat.
very important. Right, let's have a look.
Somebody's requested you be answered there, but we might not push you past. We might not push you past.
Maybe that's for tonight as well. So this is the primary cabin. Look at this. Oh, you
Carpet,
can,
Hannah.
nice carpet. Lovely carpet. So you can tell it's brand new. Well, it smells. It does smell new. No, it arrived in February, didn't it? I think.
Well,
I need
it's
to check.
not even a year old.
No.
So we'll count that as new.
Will, when did this boat arrive to the BVI? Was it February?
So it arrives on New Year's Eve.
Oh, that's yeah.
Right at the beginning of 2020.
So they weren't in the show last year because it wasn't here in
Because
time.
we've had several bookings on the boat though this
Yeah.
season with very, very happy clients.
Yeah, these guys are great.
This would be fantastic.
Wait,
Oh.
can I say it again? Epic
guests?
guests have been.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Wonderful people.
Well, we're at that point.
Well,
so
yeah.
if you do want to book with us, my name is Michelle. If you haven't figured that out by now, and we are epicyachtcharters.com.
Nice. One last thing to highlight: we actually
at
have
this.
wireless chargers built into.
Oh.
That's it too.
Okay.
So that's kind of the nice seating.
Charger.
Keep everything clean.
Next thing is we have to
nice.
check out your shower.
Go for it.
All these.
Typical
Oh,
of
so
you. Always like that.
Yeah, it's always the
Always.
nice.
some little branded
it's
goodies.
got pretty countertops, Hannah.
Oh, let's have a look.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, they're nice.
Since you're normally in the shower,
Okay,
I'll
you
the
can do it
honors
this
today.
time.
Okay. Oh, personalized.
Oh, Gullwing
Gullwing.
conditioner. Is that local? Do we
It is
think?
indeed.
Oh, who makes that, Will?
EC soap.
EC Soap. They're great.
Okay, we can tag them.
Yep, Eastern Caribbean Soap Company, based on
Okay,
Tortola.
very good. Lots
Nice
of room.
size.
Lots of room. Okay.
Excellent.
Says
Get out the way.
We got
That
it.
is a good size shower, actually.
This is okay. Good shower.
Good shower.
Good shower. Good carpet.
Good carpet.
Good carpet. Good shower.
Good
Crew,
captain.
Okay.
Yep.
So
Here we
our next
go.
cabin in the front.
Extra refrigerator. Bosch. We could maybe people will start paying us on Instagram. like
we could get
for their
influences
products.
from Bosch and everything.
Oh wait, hold on.
yeah.
Price is right.
Oh,
This is a Bosch
Bosch.
12.2 cubic
There you go.
refrigerator freezer.
If anyone,
Oh,
yeah.
I won't open it. Sorry. I won't.
Let's not look inside.
Secrets
Okay.
in there.
Another queen size bed.
Nice.
Very spacious. You know, I've
I like
noticed
all the
this
blues.
Will on the new lagoons. This
Yeah.
wall. I
It's
like
really
this.
nice.
It's really pretty, and I think
It
it
is.
makes the sound dampening in here is important.
Oh, okay.
Because we've got the generator in the front, but it's only in the front cabins. It's nice and quiet. compared
Yeah.
to
Oh, I bet that's why they've done the soundproofing like
Yeah.
this then. All right.
Yeah. It's
And then I'll let
nice.
Hannah
Very
do this back there.
luxurious.
We'll straight.
And I like all the bits and bobs you give away.
Yeah, all designed to be useful during the charter. You know?
Little
So
dry
dry
bag
bag?
for when
Yeah.
you get a soggy dollar with your
Exactly.
phone, so you can get your photos for Insta and TikTok videos. Nice. You've got all your toiletries on board that we saw locally made. Hello, Instas. Hey, Johnny. Oh, Valiant 55. Johnny.
Oh, you need to show yourself then. Hold
Hi,
on,
Johnny.
Hold on. Hold on. This is Hannah's grease captain.
Hi, Johnny. I'm missing you.
Oh, ironically, same boat, Lagoon 55.
Oh yes, so
Johnny.
So Johnny in Greece, yeah, they're on Valiant 55, which is a Lagoon 55, and they've done some brilliant charters this summer in Greece.
They're
also,
wonderful boats,
so,
they really are.
And Johnny is Hannah's buddy.
yeah.
I don't know. Do you want to take over for Johnny? Johnny's a little Greek and he's very suave, right,
We
Johnny?
spent a lot of time in Greece, so I'm sure.
This is
Oh.
my Irish Johnny.
There we go.
There we
Yeah,
Are you Irish?
Yeah, we're both Irish.
Why did I not
Don't
know
much of a big
that?
accent. We've been, we're chameleons. Wherever we're around, we just adopt.
Oh, what part of Ireland are you from?
Yeah, we're both from Dublin.
Both from Dublin. Okay. My brother-in-law lives up somewhere. Oh gosh, Taste. I'm so sorry that I don't
We were
know.
talking to Leon yesterday, actually.
Oh.
He's from Letterkenny.
Thank you. Oh, my
there you
husband
go.
saved the day. Thank goodness. Sorry, Taste and Charlene. I couldn't remember. Oh, this is
Yeah,
so
we have to know that,
exciting. Maybe you and Johnny could do a swap. Johnny, do you want to come charter in the Caribbean?
Absolutely. I love Greece. I wouldn't mind.
Oh,
Who knows?
this is okay. So now this is a first. We have instrumented a captain switch, like House Hunters, where they switch locations. House swap, captain swap.
question
That-
is, will these two miss me?
Will you miss him? Hold on. Will you miss him?
I feel like I should say
Oh
yes.
wait, hold on.
These guys are newly married. We
But
can't- we can't
yeah, but
take them away.
Johnny has a male crew, so you'd have more males, and you'd be with all males.
Yeah, all the lads.
All the lads.
Yeah.
Oh, Johnny, see what you've started. Okay, let's go see the other two cabins.
So downstairs on the left, myself and Anna's cabin is on front.
Okay.
And then the fourth.
We go outside.
Oh, we go
and then
also.
access
Okay,
to
all right, all right. New married magic. We can't go in that cabin. Just think, last year we were bragging that you were newly married.
I was
Now,
newly married
This year we
last
can't say
year.
that anymore.
No.
Okay, another queen bed.
Mirror image of the other side, basically. But I like this boat.
I do like this boat. We've had great charters on this boat. Yeah.
Cool. Very good. Very good.
Let's see. We've had karaoke on this boat. We've done a captain swap. Not sure there's much else to see, is there? We've sang Islands in the Stream.
Right, just but it's a 4 queen cabin.
4 queen cabins. Great with kids. Great for adults.
We call this our gullwing door.
Oh, sorry. Hold on just one sec. It's a Tesla. It's a Tesla door.
Shall I go down with the
Yeah,
camera
thanks
and
so
I'll
much.
do a quick
Okay.
viewing for everybody? Yeah. Oops, sorry. Went a bit funny then. Oh, my camera's going funny. I'm sorry, people. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. We're back. We're back. There we go. This is another queen cabin. Bathroom here. So you've got your own little private door. Whoop, that comes out onto the after. So you can come up in the morning, out into the anchorage, grab a coffee. Well, if Will makes you one,
Yeah, I don't know. He didn't make me
it's
one.
up to him if he feels like it. You know.
Oh, he could serenade you as you come out for your coffee.
Oh, have you got a guitar? Have you got a,
You're really selling
He's
me,
got the karaoke. He's got the karaoke machine.
have you got a guitar on board?
No, I'm the least musical person.
There are boats that have a guitar on board.
Yeah, I expect that for next year.
We'll get Anna's violin next year.
Anna plays violin.
Oh,
Gonna pass that.
We've all had a past life.
Actually, many pastimes.
do you? You paint?
Sometimes.
Wow.
Will the guests get a painting of themselves sitting on the bar?
Oh my
after
goodness.
they leave?
I,
You have so much time on
I'll
your
get
hands
working
after
one of
cooking?
you now.
I don't think Anna will have time to paint on charter.
No, I don't think so. You know what? I think we should leave this
Let's
boat
leave.
with me sitting here.
Yes.
Okay.
Go
I'm gonna
for
sit
it.
there and relax. Do we have any questions?
Any
No one's
questions?
giving questions.
Facebook. Hello, Kerry. H2O.
Tommy, no questions from Tommy?
Not yet. No.
Tommy, we're coming to you next, Tommy.
Tommy.
Coming to you next, Tommy.
Okay. Right.
Okay, bye from
Bye.
Tommy. Thank you